because it was so hot inside the house. Setting up the projector at the terrace proved to be a cool decision, and connecting the MacBook to the projector was even cooler. The Wanbo anti-light projector screen was bright enough. It really was a great complement to the portable Zeemr projector. This alfresco portable cinema setup is just what I needed to cool down on this hot summer. Now, I think this is more TP than electricity because I don't have to use the aircon and big fan inside the house. The cool breeze in this terrace is enough ventilation. I just have to make pie a little. Or just use a small fan like Jisoo. I have already reviewed the Zeemr M1 projector in this channel. The link is in the description and comments section of this video. This time, let's put more focus on the Wanbo anti-light rejection screen. What comes in the box is just that shiny piece of cloth made of polyester. We just attached it to light metal tubes and access buttons to make the screen steadier against the wind. Some people don't put value on buying projector screens and just spend more in the projector itself. But having a bad projection screen can diminish picture quality.
Pwede ring may konting ilaw sa isang part ng room, basta wag lang masyadong tutok sa projector screen.
You can expect that this screen is brighter or deliver greater contrast than light-painted walls, making your viewing experience more enjoyable. You can iron this cloth, but you don't have to do away with all the wrinkles because those can disappear under the light of a projector and won't be so annoying when you are already watching. If you are so maarte, well, go ahead and iron it until you are full of sweat. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. See you on the next one. Thank you.